Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on autocorrect in Outlook, the full guide. If you've ever sent an email only to realize there was a spelling mistake right after hitting send, this feature is going to be a game changer. By the end of this video, you'll have Outlook automatically catching your typos and keeping your emails looking sharp and professional. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the basics. Autocorrect, udarity or spell check, in Outlook helps you avoid embarrassing mistakes and maintain a professional image, especially in business emails. It automatically highlights and corrects common spelling and grammar issues as you type. To get started, open your web browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and go to the Outlook login page. If you're not sure of the exact link, just search Outlook login on Google and click the official Microsoft site. Once you're there, log into your Outlook account using your email and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, which I highly recommend for extra security, complete that quick step to access your inbox. Now that you're logged in, it's time to make sure your browser settings are configured correctly. So in the top right corner of your browser, click the three dots or three lines icon to open the settings menu. From there, go to settings, then look for language or spelling options. Depending on your browser, you'll see something like check spelling or spell check. Make sure that option is turned on. This enables autocorrect not just for Outlook, but for any text box in your browser, including your Outlook emails. Once it's enabled, go back to your Outlook inbox and open a new email. Try typing a word incorrectly. You'll notice it gets underlined in red instantly. That means autocorrect is working. You can right-click the word to see suggestions and fix it with a single click. And that's it. Your Outlook autocorrect is now up and running. No more embarrassing typos or awkward follow-up emails. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference in how polished your communication looks. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.